One of the most beautiful things you can give a child is their language. I grew up hearing Yoruba all around me, in songs, in greeting, in stories by candlelight. It was more than just words. It was love, it was discipline, and it was identity. But for so many of us raising our kids in the diaspora, it is easy for the language to fade. We say they'll learn English first, and before you know it, the heartbeat of who we are gets quieter. So now I make it a point. A few words every day, a proverb every week, and always Yoruba greeting throughout the day. Because Yoruba isn't just about speaking, it is about belonging. It is a reminder that no matter where we are in the world, our roots speaks through us. If we teach them the language, they will never forget the culture. They will always remember Omo Yoruba ni mi, no matter where they are.